Firstly, what I do is I get some cotton wool. I spray that with some rubbing alcohol, and I use that to wipe the perimeters of my 5 heads. So this is just to remove any excess oils after I've moisturized, so that the glue goes onto a clean surface. Brush off my hairs, and then I go in with my first layer of Got2b glue. I just put it on as seen on the video, and then I go in and I spritz my freezing spray Got2b, and I just smooth it out using my finger. And then because I want a little bit of extra hold, I go in with another layer of Got2b gel. Again, I go in with my freezing spray with a second layer as well, spritz it across my 5 head, and smooth it down again using my fingers. I then grab my wig, which I have combed back, and I just made sure that it's lying quite flat. I used a hot comb to make sure that all the hairs are lying backwards. I brush it back using a comb, and I just get a hairband to tie the hair back so that it just doesn't get in the way as I'm trying to maneuver. So I wait. I think I wait about 5 minutes for this thing to just like get tacky. Less than, actually, I think about 3 minutes. This is when I'm now maneuvering my hair to move closer, and I also have my doek close by because I use that to just like lay down the hair, I guess. So this is me now moving the frontal as onto the area that I laid my layers of glue on. So I start with one side, and then I pull the wig forward, and then I do the other side. I do my wig all at once. Some people like to do it in a 3-part. Onions Leon, I don't have time for that. And then this is me just now putting on the doek so that the hair lays flat and that the glue dries down in the area that I had stuck it down on. I put a doek on tightly on that, frontal area that I put the glue on, and I keep that on while I do my eye makeup. And then you'll see I come back after my eye makeup. This is me taking off now. It's quite dry, and look at how messy it looks, but don't be scared because I'm about to fix that with a wet towel. I'm going with my fast lap, and I use that just to remove that excess glue, and I brush it back using my Denman brush. Yeah, that's what it's called. I use that to brush it back, and I go in with water. It's not water. It's all man's man. And I use that just to remove that excess glue, because obviously I'm still going to do my makeup, so I don't want that interfering with my makeup. I go in quite a couple of times until I'm sure, and then this is me taking off that headband and showing you that it don't move. Boom. And yeah, this is the final result.